Hello there, YouTube people and Facebook people and all you other people. Gonna be doing a little bit of work on my car today. It's a 98 Mustang GT with a very horrible Mako paint job that was on there when I bought it. I don't know how long it's been on there, but I've had the car about 4 years, so we know it's been on there at least that long. But I'm kind of thinking that the hood may have been painted by someone else. I'm not sure. It's even worse than the red paint, except for the trunk, which I've seen before, which had a big bubble that popped off and peeled off. I've got to fix that by repainting. But some of you may recall, not too long ago, I ceramic coated this thing. I liked that a lot. But then I took the ceramic coating off and I put on the Optimum Clear Coat Restorer, which, as you can probably see, she's been sitting outside now for several weeks on and off for days and days at a time in the rain, because that's all it ever does anymore here. It's poopy outside today. All it ever does is rain, rain, rain. And I applied the Optimum Clear Coat Restorer improperly because I didn't do my research or adequate research, I should say, first. So it's been sitting outside and I see some water spotting and that kind of stuff. That's pretty much child's play to get off, but these streaks here, I'm not sure what that is. It almost looks like a cat or something skidded down the hood while it was wet. I don't know. I know there are a few wild cats here, but I'm not sure what all that is. I'm just not sure. And the hood's very dirty. And there's a long streak there. There's some over there. Something right there. I don't know. The whole hood's got that stuff. So my goal today, there's some streaking right there on that fender. But I'm not going to worry about that today. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this thoroughly. I'm just going to do an Optimum no rinse wash on it. Then I will feel of it, probably with the plastic bag test, to see if it needs clay barring, which it probably does not. And I'll check to see if there are any metal contaminants on it, to see if it needs deconning, which I doubt, because it hadn't been that long since all that's been done. And then I'm going to take my long throw dual action polisher and a light polish. Hadn't quite decided which one yet. And I'm just going to see if this stuff will polish out. And then we'll come back. So hit that subscribe button for me. And if you do that, you'll be notified of the following videos in this series here. And make a comment below, send me an email or anything, give me a thumbs up, whatever it is you're supposed to do on YouTube. It'll help me out, they say, increase my subscribers. But the next videos, I'm going to try to actually show you what I'm doing as I do it. And the techniques and stuff that I use, like doing the no rinse, there are a number of ways to do that. I'm just going to pick one of the ways that I'm kind of got stuff set up for today and go with it. You don't really need to overthink all this stuff too much. So I'm going to sign off for now, folks, and then I will come back when I'm ready to do this no rinse.